Have you ever accidentally pressed the call recording button on your iPhone and started recording a call without meaning to? With the arrival of iOS 18.1, Apple introduced this new feature, but not everyone wants it. In this video, I'll show you how to completely turn it off and remove the recording button from your phone. But before we start, if you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe and turn on the bell so you're always notified when I post new tutorials. So, let's first find the settings on your home screen and open it. Once you're in Settings, scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page where you'll see the Apps section. Tap on it. Inside the Apps section, you'll see a list of all the installed apps on your phone. Scroll down and find the phone app. Once you find it, tap on it. This will take you to the page where you can configure phone call features. Here you'll see a bunch of options. Now scroll down again and look for the call recording option. Tap on it. And finally, just toggle the switch off to completely disable this feature. Once you've done that, the call recording button will no longer appear during calls, so you won't accidentally activate it. This feature might be useful for some people, but if you find it annoying, now you know how to turn it off completely. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, just leave a like and subscribe to my channel. It really helps me out. Thank you so much for watching, and see you soon.